Solve this. 6 plus 18 divided by 3 times 2. So 6 plus 18, which is 24, divide by 3 to the 6. Here comes 4, but this is the wrong value. So here we'll solve this expression by using PEMDAS rule. In this, you have to remember this multiplication division both have equal priority. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here, as you can see here, division and multiplication is there as both have equal priorities. Therefore, go from left to right. First, we'll solve this part. So 6 plus here 3 6 are 18. So here comes 6 times 2. Then 6 plus 6 2s are 12. 6 plus 12, which is 18. So 18 is the correct value for this expression.